In this video, I'll be showing you how to install the Brave browser on your iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, having the Brave browser on your iPhone can be very useful because it comes with a built-in ad blocker, which just saves you an extra, step of having to download an ad blocker if you ever wanted to use one. So all you want to do is go over to your app store, like so. Then on the bottom right, click on search and then just type in Brave. And then all you gotta do is press search. Then you're gonna see Brave browser and private web. So all you wanna do is go ahead and download that. It might ask for your login details or anything like that, like your password. So just go ahead and give it that. And then all you gotta do is go ahead and press open. Now you're gonna be on the Brave browser for the first time. It says get ad blocking with every site you visit. You can set it as your default browser today, but you don't have to do that. You can block interruptions when you stream and even make Brave better, but I'm going to not share any insights and product insights or anything like that. Then just press start browsing and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and check out our other videos on the channel as well.